1. This. What is tan inverse 0? That is sin 0 by cos 0, that is tan 0, minus tan inverse tan 0 and minus tan inverse tan pi by 4 this. So tan inverse equal to minus 0 minus pi by 4 equal to plus pi by 4 is the answer for this problem. Only pi by 4 for this problem. Now going to do another problem on definite integral, problem number 3. Problem number 3. Now integration, problem number 3 equal to, it is given minus 1 to 1 minus 1 to 1, that is dx upon x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we are arranging it now. How? Minus 1 to 1, then dx x square 2ab plus b square plus 4. We are writing this. That is equal to minus 1 to plus 1 dx x, that is x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square, x plus 1 whole square and 2 square. Now taking substitution, putting x plus 1 equal to z, x plus 1 equal to z, it is number 1. Now we are differentiating 1 with respect to x, so 1 equal to dz upon dx or dx equal to dz is one step. Second one, when x equal to x equal to minus 1, z equal to 0, and when x equal to 1, then z equal to 2. When x equal to 1, z equal to 2, that is equal to 1 to 0 to 2, and dx equal to dz upon, it is equal to, we have put it as z square, that is equal to z square plus 2 square. What is this? Equal to 0 to 1 by a tan inverse x, tan inverse x by z by 2, tan inverse z by 2. So this now, and it is 0 to 2, that is equal to 0 to 2. Now half tan inverse 2 by 2 equal to 1, tan inverse 1 and half tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 means 0, that is equal to, it is 0 tan 0, that is half tan inverse